Solos, welcome to Unique Makes by Cristina. Today I have entry number 2 on my 1000K celebration. Yay! I want to go ahead. I will post the video on the requirements and what you have to do for it. But yeah, this one is coming from Kristen. Thank you, Kristen, for joining my challenge. I love all the stickers that you have on there. Beautiful stickers. And she even has some in the back. That. Love, love, love. So let's go ahead and get into this package of goodies and see what she created. Okay, let's see their little package of goodies. Is that everything? Yes, I do. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow, look at, there's a lot of goodies. A lot of goodies. So this is what she created. Love, love, love. And she also gave me a card. I'm going to go ahead and look at that real quick. Oh, and look at that. I love the little wax seal that's back there. Oh, I love the wax seals. I got so many in my stash, but I do love, love. Oh, I love this. Thank you, Kristen. Love the letter. Let me show you her, the card that she made. Look at that. And it does have glitter. Oh, you know me. I do love some shine. Look at that. I'll show you that close up. And there's a vintage typewriter. You know what? I don't have this stamp and die, but I know there was a few of them that came out, which I'm going to have to look it up. But love it. That's a beautiful card. Love the card. And she did thank me to participate in the 1000 subscriber crafty celebration. She loves the crafting community, so do I. Thank you, Kristen. I will put her YouTube and IG in the description below at Crafts by Chris. Love it. Thank you. I love the card. Beautiful card. So I got that one. Let's go ahead and check out her ATC card, which I love the little pink bows on the packaging. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this. Oh wow. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That is lovely. I do love the butterflies. It has vellum. Look at that. There's some cardstock. You do have your jemmies. You got a ticket. It's a floral. She did prop it up on some foam. I love, love, love. Oh, love the little heart with the hand and the little trim. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let me just make sure the address is covered. Okay. Her birthday is 3/29/1972. Her YouTube and IG is Crafts by Chris. And her crafty likes are paper crafting, sewing, butterflies, bows, and flowers. Love all styles of crafting. Colors. Her favorite colors are pink, mint, yellow, and gold. So yeah, let's go ahead and take another look. Beautiful, really love it. This was a real pretty ATC. So I got that one. So let's look at her next one, which is ribbon pocket. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. So she made this into a pocket with the regular ribbon, which is awesome because I have a lot of ribbon in my stash. So she velcroed it with and has a button on top. Oh, love it. And yeah, she did sew it. Let's look inside. This is a great idea. I love it. Love the idea. It's such a pretty ribbon. So in here we got some stickers. We have Santa Baby, Miracle Time, Magic Time. It's a magic time. Jingle Bells. Be Joyful. Joy. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Had a very shiny nose. Love the song. It's the season to be jolly. Love it. It's just some Winter Wonderland. Oh, those are nice. Like those. Merry Christmas. Beautiful. Merry Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Love it. Believe. Beautiful. Oh, and there goes Frosty. Love it. I'm also a 70 baby. I was in 75. And I have, not only did I grow up with all the Christmas cartoons and whatnot, but as I got older, I collected them. So I think I got most of all the ones that I grew up with. So yeah, really love those. And check this out. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. This makes my girly heart melt. Look at that. Love, love, love. Let me go out and open this. Wow, look at all that. Love it. So she does have 2 butterflies, which I do love. I have those dies, so I really like these dies. And I love the shimmer paper with the glitter. I got another one there. And I love the flowers. Let me know if you made the flowers, and if you did, do you have a tutorial, or did you buy these? But these are gorgeous. Look at the flowers. Gorgeous. And then you do have the frame. I love that frame. Yes, love this life. Beautiful. And then we got some trim in the back. I love all the textures. And some gold gemmies. OMG. Beautiful. OMG. So let's go ahead and look at this one. And this is an altered notebook. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. So you do have a paper clip. Love that. It does have some embellishments on there. Love that. And it's funny because this is a paper clip. So when you say paper clip, you think it's a paper clip. So I do love that. And then you got some ephemera. Love it. The lemon, the flower. You got bloom and grow. My oh my. Made for you. Oh, this is gorgeous. Got that one. Gorgeous. You got some cards stuck on there. Oh wow, look at that. The tab. And then you got enough room for writing, which I love. Journaling. Oh wow, look at that. So you got some tags here with some nice trim with the pocket. Oh, I love it. You got 2 stickers there. Another little tab there. And then paper for writing. Oh, this is gonna be also on my desk. Look at that. Beautiful. And then you have some more ephemera back here. Yeah, good vibes. You're the best. Have the most wonderful day. Love it. There's the journaling cards. That. There's hello. It's a beautiful day. And never give up. Oh wow. Love this. Love, love, love. And it does have the little side pocket. Love, love, love. Look at that. And he does have made by Kristen. And there goes her info there, which I'll also put in the video. Take one more look. Beautiful. Love it. Love your entry, Kristen. Beautiful. And thank you for entering my challenge to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. I will have the video below with her info So make sure you go ahead and stop at her YouTube or her Instagram and subscribe or follow. Let her know that you've seen the video. Give her some crafty love, because that's what we're all about. And yeah, I will also have the video about the challenge, so if you want to go ahead and participate, go ahead and participate. You don't have to be a crafter. I also got ways that you could participate even if you don't craft. And I'm also probably going to extend it, but I'll let you know in the community tab below, because I know this is the crazy holiday and everybody's crafting, shopping for Christmas, Thanksgiving's coming, it's around the corner. So yeah, so I'll probably extend it. But yeah, love the makes. So that was number 2 from Kristen. And yeah, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.